Hello, I'm reviewing this all-metal handheld shower head holder. This is a chrome adjustable shower wand holder with a universal wall hook bracket and a brass pivot ball. I decided to purchase one of these because I've owned several plastic versions that break and they usually don't last much longer than a year. I selected this one because it is superior in every way. It's hard metal, brass that has been chrome plated. This has currently been in use for a year and a half without any issues. So what you have is, of your standard 1/2-inch pipe, you thread the unit on, and as you can see, this is it here with a crescent wrench. You thread it onto there using Teflon tape, and you tighten this part onto the fore end part. You just make it tight, and then from here on the bottom you have your hose that goes to the wand. Now what I have here is I have a separate wand holder lower, but this unit has its own wand holder in, which I'll demonstrate here by simply sliding it in. So now you have the wand up here. And I really can't stress more or emphasize more how good this is. This has just done it for me. And it looks new after a year and a half. You can't see anything on here that shows any issues. So this is what you want. The plastic ones, they strip here on the threads and they crack and they peel the chrome. I've seen where they've peeled the chrome off of them actually. So they don't hold up well in, wet and warm environments like this. So by all means, I don't think you'd go wrong if you they cost a little bit more than the plastic ones, but so much well worth it. So I would think that you for the upgrade that you would do here, you really get some superior quality and use for your hard-earned money. Thank you for watching.